Ng hangin at sa tuluyang pagpasok, matatamis ng ngiti sasalubong sa'yo. Gawain namin ay napapadali sa pagtutulungan na ganyong sama-samang nananalig kay inang Peñafrancia. Hindi na kayo dito sa masayang lugar. Handi na kayo, dito kami nagkakaisa. Handi na kayo, dito sa puso ng Bicolania. Alinaga, tuloy po kayo sa maubang lugar. Sa maayos na kalsada, sa iyong paglisal, magandang ala-alang di mo malilimutan. Gawain namin ay napapadali sa pagtutulungan. Lagyan niyong sama-sama nananalig kay inang Peñafrancia. Handi na kayo sa masayang lugar. Handi na kayo, dito kami nagkakaisa.
Good afternoon, and welcome to the CCP, brought to you by People's General Insurance Corporation and the Rotary Club of Manila. Mike Bacope College versus Don College Foundation. Tigers, now in the ball. Dribbling. Number 25. Right pass number 8. Number 8, focus. Number 11, back to number 35. Quick pass inside, dancing into shoot. Number 11, bounce pass inside. No good. Rebounded by ACC. Number 17, from long range. No good. Number 8, number 11. Dribble. Number 35. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 17. Number 11. Number 13. Stolen by number 6. Number 6. That's the first point of the game. Number 11. Number 13. No good. Tigers. Number 13. Number 11. Line pass inside. Back-to-back balls for number 6. Number 17, generating a play for his team to make their first point. Number 13, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. And they didn't connect. Number 8, with a quick release. Didn't foul to the right place. For the second attempt on Vex. Number 35, 10 to shoot. Nola, rebounded by number 6. Foul number 13, first personal foul, first team foul. Substitution. For your messages and shoutouts, you can use your official hashtag, that's hashtag #DumayoCCP. Shoutouts sa mga gwapong estudyante na First down, Ambitious. Official timeout. Next game would be Ateneo Juniors versus Juniors. Back to the ball game. Number 6 with another point. Number 7. Number 11. Number 7, Falcon. On pass. Foul number 35, first personal foul, first team foul. No good. For the 3-point play. Seconds to make the play. Stolen by number 8. Big pass to number 6. Number 6 making the consecutive point for his team. Number 7. Intercepted by number 35. Number 35 to number 8. Number 11. Number 8. Number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 7. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 1. Number 11. Very good. Number 22. Loses the ball. Number 25 will pick back number 11. Number 6. Once again, with a ball. Number 7, trap. Number 11. Number 17. Number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 23. 5 seconds. Rebounded by number 25. Number 1 attacks. 2 points for number 1. Number 17. Heavily guarded by number 8. Number 22. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 17. No. Number 25. Foul number 6. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 7, number 11. Double. Breakaway pass, intercepted by number 21. Number 21, last pass to number 7. From long range, he's doing the pass. Number 6. And here Number 35, the interception, number 30, with an easy layup. Timeout, ACC. We're down to the 4 minutes and 23 seconds of the first quarter. Running score 15-2 in favor of NCF Tigers. Number 7. Drive. number 35. Back to number 30 with a quick release. No good. Number 13 with a rebound. Throws the ball straight to the wall. Number 11. Release. No good. Quick pass to number 23. Great. And 2 hits. That pass to number 20 with a jump start. And he makes it. Number 13 to number 35. Number 23. That was good. Number 23. 3 minutes remaining time in the first period. Number 21. And foul score. Foul number 13. Number 13, first personal foul, third team foul. He makes the first one. No good, for the second. They want that by number 13. To number 30. Number 7. Quick pass, number 13, both ways, attacks. Didn't connect. Number 11 once again. Number 5, both ways, shoots. And a foul score. Foul number 10. First personal foul, third team foul. No good for the first one. Number 7, to number 21. Generating number 21. Dribble. 10 seconds to shoot. And he makes it. Minutes remaining time. Number 13. Quick pass to number 7. Number 21. Number 7. Teardrop. Didn't connect. Number 13. Attack. No good. Number 15 with a rebound. Number 7. Number 91. With a one-hot shot. Line score, 21-9. Derek Hayward on the Tigers. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining time. Intercepted by number 21 with the one by number 3 and stolen once again with a quick pass into the basket. Number 25. Seconds to play. Number 23. Number 25. And he makes it. 40 seconds remaining time. Number 10. No good. Rewarded by number 30. Number 7. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds. Number 7. And he makes it. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. That's the end of the first quarter. With a score 25-13 in favor of NCF Tigers. And we're down to the second quarter of the match. You're still watching NCF versus ACC. Next game will be Ateneo Junior Golden Knights versus USI.
Ito na. Okay na.
Number 23. Attacks into the feed. And the foul was scored. Foul number 15. First personal foul. First team foul. No good for the first one. And he makes the second. Number 7. Number 81. Dribbles again, number 30, quick pass, number 25, turns back, number 7, outfit, dribbles, and to shoot, number 15, with an alley-oop, and the foul, foul number 23, first personal foul, second, first team foul. He completed the three-point play. Number 30. Number 23. Loses the ball. 19 seconds to complete the play. 19 seconds.
One.
Number 10. Dribbles. No good. Rebounded by number 13. Quick pass to number 7. Bounce pass inside. Stolen by number 25. Retrieved by number 26. Number 13. Quick pass to number 26. Inside. Shoots. Rejected. Eight minutes and 36 seconds remaining time for the second period. Tigers with a 10-point lead. Number 25, number 7. Number 10. Throws the ball. Didn't reach the net. Number 30 with a quick pass. That's a traveling violation. Substitution. Number 21. Quick release. Aaron. Number 8. Number 7. Number 13. Turns around. Nice shot. Number 13. Number 7 with a quick jump shot. Quick revenge by ACC. Number 7. Number 11. Stolen by number 21. Number 0. Number 8, heavily guarded. Number 13, number 11. Number 23 with a big rebound. Shoots. And he makes it. Number 21 with a quick three-point attempt. Nothing but net. Sniper shot by number 21. Number 11, you step in the layup. Reach the hoop. Number 7. Attacks. Back-to-back points for ACC. Now we're down with a 7-point lead. Number 8. Number 95, first personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. Number 95. Number 8. Number 15, uses the ball. Number 6 to number 35. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Foul number 0. First personal foul. Third team foul. Number 1. Number 11. Number 25. Turns around. With a long range shot. Over. Number 1. Running score. 32-20. Foul number 8. First personal foul, second team foul. He makes the first one. No good for the second. Number 11. Number 8. Number 35. 10 seconds to shoot. Pump quick. That's number 25. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 1. Number 25. Number 6. With a turnaround shot. No good. Number 21 against number 8. Diretso. With a nice shot by Neil Gomez. Number 8. Dribble. Line pass to number 1. Back to number 1. Third. Foul number 23. First personal foul. Penalty. No good for the first attempt. He makes the second. 35-24, an 11-point lead of the Tigers. Traveling violation. Number 11, attack. Rebounded by number 28, loses the ball. Foul number 22. First personal foul, penalty. He makes the first one. He completed the two-point play. Breakaway pass to number 21 with a teardrop from the ball. 16 seconds to make the shot. 16 seconds. Number 8. Number 95. To number 11. 10 to shoot. 3 points by number 35. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 11 against number 11. Dribbles. ball. Number 0, inbound. 12 seconds to make the play. Number 11, 10 seconds. Number 35, second personal foul, third team foul. Number 23. 10 seconds to make the shot. Number 11, pump fake. Shoot. No good. Rebounded by number 11. Ali and didn't connect. Three minutes. Number 17, generating a play. Pump fix, quick pass inside, into a reverse layup. Brazilian, Rich, and Bob. Number 8, lap pass to number 6. Number 6 makes a pass, baseline drive, but didn't make it. Number 23, number 22, quick pass to number 0 is number 13. And he makes the shot. Number 8, number 35. Back to the ball game.
Ano, ordinary lang yan.
Number 35, third personal foul. Number 0, attacks, loses the ball. 2 minutes, remaining time. Number 30, pump fakes, quick pass, number 8. Number 6, no good. Number 11, with a big rebound. Breakaway pass to number 0, number 0. Number 22. Penalty. Penalty. Number 1, first personal foul. Penalty. Substitution. 7. From beyond the lines, no good. Number 23. Number 11. Quick release. No good. 1 minute remaining time. Steps into the line and it's a turnover. Number 17. Number 11. Bounce back to number 23. Pushes. 40 seconds. Remaining time. Number 7. Attacks. Great. And to the basket. Number 17, first personal foul, penalty. Foul number 7, penalty. Number 7, first personal foul. No good for the first attempt. No good for the second one. Shot clock is off. Number 7. Loses his balance. 10 seconds. Timeout, NC. And we're down to the last 9 seconds of the first half. Running score 44-26. Still leading NCF Tigers. Over behind 5 seconds. That's the end of the second period with a score 44-26. to the third quarter of the match. Shoutout nga pala sa mga magagandang at bago natin Bukal student volunteers. Alright? An announcement. August 10 and 11 will be the hometown game of the Comstar Express. Free tickets will be given to Ateneo and NCF schools. Once again, that's on August 10 and 11. Number 13. Start the first quarter. Number 13. Back to number 13. Number 38 turns around, baseline drive, quick pass to number 7. Nice, a shot. Foul number 22. Second personal foul, first team foul. And he completed with 3-point. Number 17. Number 19. Number 23. Back to number 13. Number 23, 10 seconds to shoot. Push it. Foul number 23. Second personal foul, first team foul. He makes the first ball. Number 13, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Number 11. 10 seconds. Number 11, number 13. No good. Get back. Number 18. Number 11, from long range, 3 points. Running score, 51-30. 8 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Number 7, number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 23, inside. Number 23, to number 11, offense, drives in the baseline, reverse layup, to Bill. Out of bounds, turnover. Number 17, number 23. Number 11, quick release by number 23, rebounded by number 30, breakaway pass to number 23, who didn't make it to the basket. Number 11, dribbles, jump shot, 3 points. Number 30, number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Confusion. Number 21. points. Number 8 to number 11. Traveling violation. Number 7. Number 11. Dribble. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Foul number 8. Second personal foul. Second team foul. No good for the first one. He makes the second. 5 minutes and 52 seconds remaining time. Running score 53-36. Number 8. Number 19. From long range. No good. Number 7. Good boy. Number 7, offense. Far from beyond the arc. No good. Rebounded by number 7, quick pass to number 11. Quick into. Number 7. Number 22. Generating a play, quick pass to number 21. Number 21, ball fakes, shoots. Plus a bonus foul number 8. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Number 8. Number 1. Number 35. 10 seconds to shoot. Carried by number 8. Number 7. Number 22, 10 seconds. Number 21, once again. Loses the ball. Number 8. Number 35. Heavily guarded. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 25. Looking for a shot. Number 23. Looking for someone. Number 11. Quick pass inside. And he makes it. Number 25. Number Number 8. Number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. Quick pass inside to number 1. Number 7. Number 11. Back to number 11 with a quick release. No good. Number 35. Number 1. Number 8 from downtown. Number 1. Breakaway pass, number 22. Against 2, turns around, pump fake, shoots, and didn't reach the basket. Number 8. Quick pass, number 1. Foul number 7. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Timeout, easy.
Nagsusuba.
And we're back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 7 seconds remaining time. Running score is 64-42. Shout out now pala kay Rash Angels. ACC now with the ball. Foul number 95. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 0. Number 25. Number 21. Floater. And it's favorite shot. Number 8. Number 1. Number 25. Number 0, second personal foul. Third team foul. Number 1. Number 8. Quick pass, number 1. Jump shot. Number 25, intercepted by number 45. Number 0, score 66-46. Number 6 once again. Number 7, jump shot, no good. Out of bounds. 17 seconds. Sixteen seconds to make the play. Seventeen seconds for the game clock. 16 seconds to shoot. 1 second interval between the shot clock and the game clock. Number 15 to number 25. Turns around and shoots. No good. Number 15. And foul score. Foul number 25. Second personal foul. Penalty. Substitution. No good for the first one. No good for the second one. 5 seconds. That's the end of the third period with a score 68-46, still leading NCF Tigers. And we're down to the fourth and final quarter of the match. Shout out kay Boss James Havana. Shout out ulit kay Rash Angeles. Shout out din sa mga estudyante ng SC26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Happy viewing. Next game will be USI versus Ateneo Juniors Division. Number 0. Number 25. Number 21. Marcus. No good. Number 23. Great. It's good. Number 21. Number 0. Number 7. Last pass to number 21. 10 seconds to shoot. Nothing but net. Number 8. To number 11. Number 13. seconds to make the shot. 7 seconds. Number 13, 5 seconds. Number 7, number 19. There we go. Behind the back pass, what a play by the Tigers. That pass to number 25, into the alley, but didn't connect. Number 8, flying pass to number 23, another wonderful play. Run score, 74-49. Number 25, teardrop, didn't fall into the right place. Rebounded to number 17, inside to number 19, and he makes it. Number 8, on long range, no good. Number 7 against number 8. Foul number 8. Personal foul. Number 8, fourth personal foul. Warning for first team foul. Timeout, ACC. And we're back to the ball game. Shout out to Malaki Enzo. Happy viewing. Running score is 74-51. 7 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. Perfect release for the first attempt. No good for the second one. Number 8. The number 35. Number 13. Quick pass inside. Stolen. Breakaway pass to number 0. Number 0. It's number 11. And he picks it. Number 8. Inside, pushes. Out pass number 23. 3 seconds, violation. Substitution. Running score is 74-54. Number 0, number 25, right to right, right to the tip, number 19, with a good rebound. Number 8, number 30, far in the hole. Number 13, rejected from behind. It's a far score. First personal foul. First team foul. He makes the first one. No good for the second. Number 7. Number 17. Intercepted by number 8. Number 23 with the ball against all odds. Quick pass to number. Back to number 8 to number 13. No good. Number 13. Second personal foul. Second team. NCF warning to the coach and sportsmanlike behavior. Number 0. Number 17. Foul number 8. 5. Personal fouls, excluded player. Fifth personal foul for number 8, excluded player. Third team foul. Number 7, traveling violation. Warning for penalty. Number 25. Rise into the key. Fadeaway shot by number 19. Airball. Number 23 with a big rebound. Number 95. Number 30. Number 35. Number 7. Number 23. Foul number 25. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Number 30. Number 7. Number 6. Noted. Number 19 with a rebound. Number 17. Floater. No good. With a rebound. Number 25. Update. Steps. And foul score. Foul number 6, second personal foul. Penalty. Perfect release with the first shot. Number 30. seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Foul number 17. Number 17, second personal foul, third team foul. Next game would be Juniors Division, Ateneo versus USI. And on August 10 and 11, we will be having the home court game of Atancio Express. Again, that's on August 10 and 11 in the JMR Coliseum. Tickets will be given to Ateneo and NCF students. Even in USI and UNC. Once again, tickets for the Cancer Express home court game on August 10 and 11 will be given to UNC, USI, NCF, and Ateneo students. He makes the first one. Number 26, and sportsmanlike foul. 2 shots plus a ball possession. He makes the first one. Number 95. Heavily guarded. Back to number 0. 5 seconds to shoot. Breaks. Now we're down to a score of 77-64. Number 30. Dribble to number 94. Back to number 13. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 95. Number 7. Number 0. Last 2 minutes. Number 10 to number 19. Back to number 10. Another 3 minutes there. No good. Number 86. Another burst there. Foul at the paper. Second personal foul. 4th team foul. No good for the first one. Number 0. Number 7 with a quick jump shot. Hits the board, but not the basket. Number 0 with a rebound. Number 19. Number 17. Number 7. You step in the floater. No good. Running score is 77-64. 1 minute. Timeout, ACC. Next game would be USI Juniors versus Ateneo Golden Knights Juniors. ACC consumed timeout. ACC consumed timeout. NCF 2 timeouts remaining. Then for the NBL, home-court game of Capture Express would be on August 10 and 11. August 10 and 11 in JMR Coliseum. Tickets will be given to NCF, USI, UNC, and Ateneo students. And we're back to the ball game. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining time. Number 25. Number 7. Violation. Timeout, NC. Back to the ball game. Inbound by number 1. Number 30. Number 23. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points for number 23. Number 0. Number 95. Really step. Throws the ball. No good. Rebounded by the Tigers. 1 minute remaining time. Number 30. Number 23. Number 30. Fires a 3. No good. Number 23 with the rebound. 36 seconds remaining time. Fires another 3. No good. Number 30. Attacks. Number 23. 10 seconds to shoot. Breakaway pass to number 7. 6 seconds. That's the end of the game. With a score 81-66. Winner, NCF Tigers.